You lie down intending to rest, yet you suddenly find yourself scrolling until 3 in the morning. 6 hours later, you wake up with burning eyes and a brain that feels like heavy fog. You promise yourself you will sleep early tonight, but deep down you know that tomorrow never comes. Then you see that one entrepreneur online claiming they only sleep 5 hours and feel absolutely amazing. You likely wonder how they function while you sleep 9 hours and still wake up feeling dead. The uncomfortable truth is that you are not tired because of how long you actually slept. You remain exhausted because you are fundamentally misunderstanding the biological architecture of how your brain restores itself. Real rest is not about total hours in bed, but about the efficiency of your sleep cycles. Neuroscience suggests your brain moves through 5 distinct stages every 90 minutes, from light to deep sleep. Deep sleep acts as the critical period for physical recovery, muscle repair, and immune system energy recharge. Rapid eye movement sleep supports brain recovery, emotional processing, focus, creativity, and consolidation of your memories. When these cycles align perfectly, your body can theoretically recover fully in just nearly 6 hours. However, if your sleep is fragmented by stress or blue light, 9 hours will still feel insufficient. The goal is not more time in bed, but generating more deep and rapid eye movement sleep. You must implement a science-backed system to make 6 hours feel like 8 hours of power sleep. The first pillar requires you to sleep and wake at the exact same time every single day. Your brain craves consistency because regularity strengthens the circadian rhythm and trains your body to release melatonin. Studies indicate that irregular schedules confuse the brain and make your deep restorative sleep significantly shorter. You must set a fixed window, such as sleeping at 11 and waking at 5:30. The second rule demands you organize your night based on the biological 90-minute sleep cycle reality. If your alarm interrupts deep sleep, you suffer from sleep inertia and wake up feeling intoxicated. However, waking precisely when a cycle completes allows you to feel instantly alert and cognitively sharp. You must calculate your sleep duration in precise multiples of 90 minutes rather than random hours. Aim for 4.5, 6, or 7.5 hours to synchronize with biology. Stop setting your alarm based on hope and start setting it based on strict cycle completion. The third pillar is the 60-minute power down, an elite habit that most average sleepers ignore. The final hour before bed is not for entertainment, but for strict neurological preparation for recovery. Deploy the 3-2-1 method to systematically shut down your body's internal stress and digestion systems. 3 hours before bed, you must stop eating heavy meals to prevent digestion from stealing energy. 2 hours before bed, you must cease all work to lower cortisol and clear mental anxiety. 1 hour before bed, you must ruthlessly eliminate all screens to protect your melatonin production. Replace the artificial blue light with dim, warm lighting to signal your brain that day is over. Use this time for gratitude, journaling, or meditation to shift your brain waves into a relaxed state. Listening to a calm playlist with slow beats per minute can further sedate your nervous system. Light stretching will release physical tension and physically confirm to your body that it is rest time. The fourth pillar requires you to master your morning light exposure for instant biological wakefulness. The moment your eyes open, you must resist the dopamine urge to check your smartphone notifications. Instead, step outside immediately for 10 minutes of direct sunlight to reset your master circadian clock. This solar exposure suppresses the sleep hormone melatonin and floods your brain with the alertness chemical serotonin. You will feel your brain physically wake up without needing a stimulant to force it open. The fifth step demands you attack the morning with freezing cold water or immediate physical movement. Do not hit snooze, but instead wash your face with ice water or perform 20 push-ups. This acute physical stress spikes dopamine and noradrenaline, which instantly obliterates the chemicals, causing sleep inertia. Within 3 minutes, your energy will skyrocket naturally without relying on external chemical stimulation like caffeine. Now we must escalate to the advanced optimization hacks utilized by elite high performers for recovery. You must strictly stop consuming all forms of caffeine after 2 in the afternoon every day. Caffeine blocks adenosine, which is the specific chemical that signals your brain to feel sleepy. If you drink coffee late, it remains active in your nervous system for up to 8 hours. Even if you fall asleep effortlessly, your deep restorative sleep drops by nearly 30%. Your bedroom must be a sanctuary that is pitch black, silent, and physically cold to touch. Set the temperature between 18 and 20 degrees Celsius to signal your core to cool down. The darker and colder your room is, the more deep sleep your body will automatically generate. You might consider natural support like magnesium glycinate if your sleep quality remains persistently low. Always consult a medical professional because these supplements calm the nervous system without using pharmaceutical drugs. Finally, you must perform a mental declutter to empty your racing mind before getting into bed. Holding unfinished tasks in your head keeps your brain in beta waves, which is awake mode. Writing your thoughts on paper shifts you into alpha waves, which prepares your biology for sleep. You must fundamentally shift your mindset to view sleep as a performance tool, rather than weakness. Stop bragging about sleeping 4 hours because you are only advertising your own cognitive decline. True success is not about who stays up late, but about who wakes up fully charged. You cannot pour from an empty cup or build a massive legacy with a broken brain. Optimize your sleep to reclaim the time and vibrant energy you have been unknowingly wasting. Sleep less by sleeping smarter, and train your body to recover with elite military precision. Imagine waking up before your alarm with clear eyes and a heart completely at peace. You will finally realize that you do not need more time, you just need better energy. Make the choice today to respect your biology and stop fighting a losing war against yourself. Like this video if you learned something new and are ready to master your recovery. Subscribe immediately because next week we dismantle the science of limitless energy without caffeine dependence.